Hey guys, are you running low on Christmassy snacks yet? I'm full on Christmas break. Well, here's what I found on a recent trip to Aldi. Maybe it'll help get you through or give you some ideas for your Christmas Eve open house. I know family is coming and you need those extra snacks. And stay tuned to the very end for a couple of not as welcoming things that I found during my Christmas shopping. Anyway, I can't believe it's Vlogmas Day 22. Where has the time flown away to? I don't know. Anyway, I hope you're enjoying the series. If you are, please go ahead and hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, give me a Christmas present. Go ahead, subscribe. Not a Little Debbie's cake either, but just looking at all the Christmas finds at Aldi. Snickerdoodle Oreos. You had me at Oreo, honestly. Oh, it's just red coloring, not a different flavor. Candy canes, gingerbread kit, here's crispy treats. Oh, that's nice that they have a packet of containers because you're always looking for those. Is it 2-pack or 3-pack? There's both for $2.99. It looks like. These look like fun if you're working on a charcuterie board. Cheese pairing. Cherry, rosemary, fig and honey, pear and cinnamon, apple pie, cumin. $7.99. Lots of crackers and breadsticks. Olive tapenade. Oh yeah, that could be fun. I've never really gotten their baked goods, but red velvet. Christmas cookie bites. I'm not saying this is about anybody we know, but you know what I got for Christmas? Fat. I got fat. Okay? Deal with it. I'm not sure if this is the right spirit for the season, but one more. You get one more, and then you're out of here.